Is that, you think so, huh? Everybody have a little sip of something cool there. Got a song you want to hear, let us know about it. I got a request to a George Jones song. Okay. Kenny Rogers, who's that? Is that Roy Rogers' uncle? We got a request for George Jones. We're going to do this one right here. Got to send this out to my ornery little son running around there somewhere. The thing goes like this, called Who's Gonna Fill Their Shoes After George Is Gone.
Here,
Now this world's full of thinkers. Just a few are chosen. Tear your heart out, you sign. Imagine life without them. All those radio heroes, like the outlaw that walked Jesse's dream. There'll never be another red-headed stranger, man in black and Folsom prison blue. The Okie from Muskogee. Oh, hello, darling. I wonder who's gonna fill their shoes. Who's gonna fill their shoes? Who's gonna stand that tall? Who's gonna play the opera in the Wabash Cannonball? Who's gonna give their heart and soul to get to me and you? Oh, I wonder who's gonna fill their shoes. Thank God for the boys from Memphis, blue suede shoes and Elvis. Much too soon he left the world in tears. They tore up the 50s. Oh, Jerry Lee and Charlie, go cat, go echo through the years. Now you know the heart of country music still beats in Luke the Drifter. I hear it when he sang that song line. Old Marty Hankin left. I feel I'm here with you on the Silver Eagle Road through the night. Who's gonna fill their shoes? Who's gonna stand that tall? Who's gonna play the opera and the Wabash Cannonball? Who's gonna give their heart and soul to get to me and you? Oh, I wonder who's gonna fill their shoes. Oh, there ain't no one who'll ever fill George Jones's shoes. Oh, thank you very much. Nobody'll ever fill old George's shoes.